मैं आज हॉर्टिकल्चर जेआरएफ 2021 का क्वेश्चन पेपर पार्ट 1 मैंने अपलोड कर दिया था एंड पार्ट सेकंड को आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आपका समय ना खराब करते हुए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, सदगुडी इज अ वेरी फेमस वैरायटी ऑफ स्वीट ऑरेंज इन आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तेलंगाना। स्टेटमेंट सेकंड, हार्वेस्टिंग एंड मार्केटिंग ऑफ सदगुडी आर फ्रॉम अगस्त दिसंबर एंड मार्च में। राइट आंसर इज both statement first and second are right. Next question, nuclear seedling arising from polyembryonic seed of mango are considered as clonal rootstock. Right option is second. Polyembryonic means development of development of seedling more than one from a single seed is known as polyembryonic. Next question, the control atmosphere helps to create. Right option is first, russet spotting in lettuce. Next question, assertion A, hot water treatment is effective in controlling post harvest diseases in several fruits. Reason are, it improve lignification in outer layer of fruit, but in certain cases it enhance ripening and reduce shelf life. Right option is third. First is correct, but R is not correct. Next question, physiological disorder is one of the most important limitation of cauliflower. Right option is third, B and D only. Next question, potato हो जाएगा आपका 2n = 48 एंड गार्डन पी 2n = 14 एंड एग प्लांट इज 2n = 24 एंड कैबेज 2n = 18। तो ए का सेकेंड हो गया आपका एंड बी का थर्ड। बस आप आसानी से इसे कर सकते हैं ऑप्शन। राइट ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रैंडम एलोकेशन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द to the experimental unit is known as randomization. Right option is second. Next question, Dr. B.P. Pal is related to rose and M.A.K. related to chrysanthemum and Foja Singh related to orchid and S.P.S. Raghav related to marigold. Right option is first का second and B का first. Right option is second का third. Right option is first. Next question, in which farming there is use of information and technology based system. Right option is first, precision farming, also known as satellite farming. Next question, Lal Bagh is situated at. Right option is Bengaluru. Next question, Maharaja Ji is a variety of. Right option is apple. Next question, spineless stigma is related to maturity of. Right option sapota. Next question, in which variety of banana hard lump is a common problem. Right option is Puan. Next question, Sarvati is a variety, a very common question asked many times of JRF exams. Right option is off. Next question, clotting of blood is related to the deficiency of vitamin. Right option is K. Next question, hardwood cutting are usually prepared from wood of the previous year growth season. Next question, the recommended storage temperature for most of tropical fruit is. Right option is 14 degrees Celsius. Next question, option A, denabling is common cultural practices in case of banana cultivation. Reason are, denabling, that is removal of male flower bud, is necessary. If the male flower bud is left on the bunch, it competed with fruit for assimilates and also herbivorous insect which attack fruit and thereby affect the fruit appearance. Right option is first. Both A and R is correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Factor responsible for endogenous dormancy. Right option is morphological and physiological, and exogenous dormancy, chemical and mechanical. Due to exogenous. Next question. The dry recovery rate in turmeric. Right option is second, 15 to 30%. Next question. In Kerala, more than 60% of total coconut produce is converted into. Right option is third, milling copra. Next question. Dual purpose, drought tolerant and higher nutrient use efficient hybrid of coconut. Right option is Kalpa Samruddhi. Next question. Watermelon is a tropical origin, and bitter gourd is a Indo-Burma region, and carrot is Afghanistan, and tomato is Peru and Bolivia. A का सेकंड आपका ऑप्शन हो जाएगा फोर्थ इज राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ एशियन वेजिटेबल रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट सेंटर located at. Right option is Taiwan, but now is the World Vegetables Research Center. Next question. The CMS system in coal crops was originally transferred from wild radish. Next question. Under saline irrigation water condition, which of the following fruit crop will perform well? Right option is C and D, date palm and bear. Next question. Internationally organized system for reducing the risks of safety hazard in crop is. Right option HACCP. Next question. The chromosome number of common rice, very common question. 24 is right. Next question. Arka Punit is a cross between Amarpali into Boganpalli, and Pusa Arunma is a cross between Amarpali and Sensation. Dasahari is a C35 and Velai Columbus polyembryonic. तो आपका होगा ए का फर्स्ट एंड बी का थर्ड. राइट ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेचर मोस्ट ऑफ द कल्टिवेटेड बनाना बिलोंग टू द ग्रुप. राइट ऑप्शन इज सेकेंड, ट्रिप्लॉइड, बट नेचुरली आर डिप्लॉइड. नेचुरली इन नेचर जो है वो डिप्लॉइड होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Statement first. Banana respond well to the post-emergence spraying of nutrient on bunch. Right. Statement second. As potash play a great role in quality of fruit, and spraying of banana bunches with potassium sulfate significantly enhance the fruit characteristics, including bunch grade and total yield, as well as fruit quality in banana. Right option is both statement first and second is correct. Next question. Vegetatively propagated plant from a single mother plant which retain their character after repeating multiplication is known as clone. Right option is first. Next question. Sequence the variety with their respective fruit. तो आपका हो जाएगा ललित हो जाएगी आपकी गुआवा की, and Ambari is apple, Patannak is a pear, and Jojo is a plum, and Perlet is a grape. Right option is according to third is right. Next question. The part opposite to the youngest leaf of primordium in grape is known as analagen. Fourth option is right. Which of the following variety of rose has red color? Right option is top secret. Next question. Conference. Right option is this is a variety of pear. Right option is first. Next question. Institute of Himalayan Bioresources Technology is located at Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. Next question. For preparing 200 ppm solution of IA, and amount of IA required is, right option is third, 200 mg, because 1 mg equal to 1 ppm. Next question. Partially pinching of crown to improve the fruit size and shape of pineapple is done at, right option is third, 45 days after fruit set. Next question. An apple is a day keeps the doctor away was quoted by, right option is fourth, Benjamin Franklin. Next question. Pinching of male flower bud for easy bud economic seed production in commercially followed in, right option is fourth, bottle guard. Next question. Removal of central portion of cud for flower initiation in cauliflower is known as scooping. These are majorly practiced in Darjeeling Hill of West Bengal. Next question. Assertion A. Inflorescence mite is a pest of mango region, or it can be controlled by summer plowing of orchard, soil application of methyl preparation, parathion, and spraying of dimethoate. Right option is both A and R are correct, and R is a correct explanation of R. Next question. Guava is suitable for jelly making. Right option is third. Which sticky trap can be used to detect infestation of adult white fly? Used yellow trap, and blue trap used against aphid control. Next question. The formula for calculating heat unit degree days is, right option is third, baseline temperature plus average monthly temperature into number of day in month. बेसिकली जो बेस टेम्परेचर होता है वो 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस लिया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द बिटर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ cucurbits is due to phenomena is metagenia. Next question. Which of the following crop is sensitive to foliar nematode? Right option is tuberose. Next question. The most critical period of water requirement in apple is from, right option is third, April to August. Next question. Skin abrasion, chilling injury and heat injury are the physiological disorder of, right option is first, papaya is the right option. Next question. Most serious post harvest disease of mango is anthracnose. Right option is first. Next question. Which Which of the following is a soft seeded banana and has pulpy fruit? Right option is second. Next question. Assertion A, cytoplasmic male sterility and self-incompatibility line is used as female inbreed for hybrid seed production of cabbage crop, and region R, self-incompatibility line are preferred as inbreed for hybrid seed production because of stability and easy maintenance. Right option is third. A is true and R is false. Next question. Assertion A, Gynoecious parthenocarpic variety of cucumber are recommended for protected cultivation right. Region R, in parthenocarpic variety fruit develop without pollination as there is no provision of honeybee inside polyhouse. Right option is first. Both statement are both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Which of the following state is the largest producer of cut flower? Is West Bengal. Next question. Which of the following variety of turmeric is induced mutant from erode local? Is BSR, and Suroma is the from T. Sundaram. Next question. Statement first, pinching of terminal portion of plant minimize apical dominance and increase side shoot. Statement second, pinching is a essential practice in cultivation of gladiolus. False. Statement first is correct, but statement second is incorrect. Right option is third. Next question. Seed Act was enacted during the year. Right option is second. And enforced in 1969. Next question. Akashin is a physiological disorder of radish and cavity spot is carrot and blackhead beetroot whiptail cauliflower. तो ए का हो जाएगा थर्ड एंड बी का फर्स्ट. राइट ऑप्शन इज सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन क्विनका सिस्टम ऑफ pollinizer are to be planted in, it can be set in the middle as every third tree in every third diagonal row. Right option is third. Next question. The black pepper belong to the family. Very common question, asked in many times of JRF exams. Right option is Peperveraceae. ये टोटल 120 क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं JRF हॉर्टिकल्चर 2021 के क्वेश्चन पेपर के अनुसार. एंड दोनों पार्ट मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं, आप लोग देखिएगा. और आपको अगर अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा एंड शेयर कर दीजिएगा दोस्तों के पास. धन्यवाद.